Hi my gems, it's Charming L here, and I'm back with another one. I'm back here with a quick review for the new McDonald's sauces. See, that got the sweet and spicy jam and the mambo. Let's see what this is all about. Sorry for the sound of the cars, guys. I'm by the highway. At the McDonald's by the highway. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a minute. I've been sick, but I'm back for a quick review just for you. Got me 10-piece nugget, McDonald's nugget to try. Come on. Let me roll back a little bit so y'all can see me. I don't have my mic, but I hope y'all can hear me. And I got the orange drink. Let me pray real quick. How are y'all today? I hope y'all are doing good. But which one should I try first? I think I'm going to try this one first. And I got my orange drink. Let me take a sip. It's rush hour time, y'all. I'm going to try the sweet and spicy jam first. See what's up with that. How y'all rolling with this. I'm so glad I'm feeling much better. I just went back to work today. I was out for 5 days. Ooh. Look. It looks like jelly. Look at that. Can y'all see that? How's the lighting? Is the lighting okay? Because the sun shifts around and moves around. All right. Taste test real quick, y'all. Because I got to be on the run. I'm on a mission. Look at that. It looks like jam. Yeah, like you spread it on your, like you could spread it on toast. See it? Here we go. Wait, I need another bite to really taste it. Let me dip it. Can y'all see it on the steering wheel? See it? See the texture? Just like jam. I like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it. Sweet and spicy jam. I actually like it. Wow. Another chicken nugget. I haven't had these in forever, chicken nuggets, but I wanted to try it with this. Look at that. See? You can spread it on your toast with some butter, right? Charming L approved. Me like. Oh, now I can taste a little bit of spice. Oh, I'm spitting food. This sun's starting to migrate over here. I like it. All right. Next one is the mambo. I wonder if it's spicy. Let me clean my palate. Ah! All right. Where are you? Tab. Let me smell it. Is this supposed to be spicy? It smells fruity. It smells fruity, but look at it. Can y'all see it? It smells a little fruity. Tutti frutti, oh Rudy. Psych, I'm just kidding. Chicken nugget, dip. Looks like barbecue sauce. Why do people have to do 100 on a major regular highway? All right, here we go, y'all. It's spicy. Has a bigger kick than the other one. Yes. Has a way bigger kick than the other one, than the sweet spicy jam. Has a bigger kick. It's spicier. And you know me, I like spicy. Wow. I approve. It's sweet, savory, and spicy at the same time. I like both of them. For me, my opinion, 10 out of 10. For both. I should have got more. I don't feel like going back in and asking for it. I haven't had McDonald's chicken nuggets in, I don't know how long. I'm not a big chicken nuggets person. Oh, this may be ahead by a slight margin. The Mambo, maybe ahead by a slight margin because I like the spiciness. Yummy. Both 10 out of 10 for me. I approve. If you haven't tried these yet, go out and try them. You may have a different opinion. Everybody's palate is different. But I love both. I would get these again. For sure. All right, y'all. Sorry, I gotta go. I gotta run. Meet my son at the Halloween, Spirit Halloween. I'm looking for my costume for my anniversary video. So y'all stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. I didn't even say welcome to my new subscribers. And welcome to all my day ones. Y'all know who you are. I appreciate all of you. All of you, all of you, all of you. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, y'all. And like. Holla at your girl. Show your girl some love. But until I see you next time, stay blessed. Stay healthy. Stay safe. And most of all, never forget, I love you. Bye, y'all. Gotta go. Gotta get that Halloween costume.